everybody, and welcome back to Texas Decor and More. So this is my midsummer refresh decor, and I want to show y'all everything that's new in the house. So here we go. We're just gonna do a little tour, and I'm gonna show y'all everything that's new in here for the summer. So this is my new shower curtain, and it's got little flowers and butterflies on it. I just kind of like it because it's kind of like a time stamp type of situation. It's got little flowers on it. It's got peaches and grays, and I don't know, I just really liked it. I had a gray and yellow one up in here, and then I just changed it to this. So this is one new midsummer refresh. And then of course I've got the rug right here that goes with it. And then I've got the pictures. This says bath. That one says spa and relax up here. So let me pull back and show you how it looks on the wall. So that's on the bathroom wall. Got my little hand towel right here, and also a hand towel right here. So now I'm going to take you guys into the kitchen and show you, this is how I decided to decorate. In the wintertime, I had the farmhouse going, and then from Memorial Day till the 4th of July, I had my patriotic decor up. And so now, the end of July up until probably, I don't know, September, I kind of mixed my farmhouse decor in with my sunflowers. So let me just show you everything that's new, what I got. So this right here, of course, is sunflowers. Dollar Tree for $1. And then I have this little thing right here. Of course, I got these at Dollar Tree for $1. And the vase I already have, but I believe I actually got that a long time ago at the Dollar Tree as well. I'm a Dollar Tree girl, y'all. This right here is part of my farmhouse decor, and I usually do my farmhouse decor between right after Christmas until spring, but I've kind of mixed it up with some of this summer stuff and like greens and yellows and the black and white check. So all this, I have this right above my sink, and let me show you. This came from Dollar Tree. It's some more sunflower decor, and then I kind of just have farmhouse decor, like I said, mixed in with sunflower decor, and this is all in the kitchen. Now let me turn you around. So I have another towel here, Dollar Tree towel for $1, make you holla. This is new. I got this at Dollar General, and this was $6. I also got this from Dollar General. This little skillet right here, I just love it. It's so dainty. My aunt actually got me that, and it's a cast iron skillet that came from Dollar General. I don't know if those were $1 a piece. I don't know if these were $1 a piece or $3 a piece. I want to say I think they were $1. So this right here, this my aunt gave me, and it was brown wood, and I just painted it black to go more with my farmhouse. So I've got a cup, and that's my little birdhouse with the ladybug on it, with the little flower that I just thought, you know, real cute summer. And this is what it looks like from far away. So all this is new. All this is new to the kitchen. This is brand new. All this whole wall right here, everything you see is all brand new. So let me take you into the dining room. So I have my little sunflower decor in here as well. I've got the black checkered placemats with my Dollar Tree plates. These were $1 at the Dollar Tree. This Farmer's Market little tin, I think I got that at Dollar General for $3. I got all these sunflowers. I want to say either Dollar General or Dollar Tree because I just love those two stores. I can't get enough of them. But this is what the little table setting looks like. Now right now I have up these lime green curtains that I'm really not too crazy about, but since I do have little accents of green in here, I went ahead and put those up. My plan is to actually, I want a little bit more sunflower decor in here. So my plan actually is to probably get yellow curtains for here, and then I want a sunflower valance to go right there. I saw some on Amazon, and I really want to get one. It's like $12-15 for one. So let me take y'all over to the hutch. And I just kind of kept this really simple, and basically that's simply because I don't have a lot of sunflower decor, and this is the sunflower theme is something new to me that I'm now incorporating into my decor because it's kind of hard after the 4th of July for me to decide what I'm going to put up in the house to go up before I start with Halloween decor. I know that a lot of people go straight into fall in September, but I don't do that. I wait until October and I do Halloween decor, and then I set out my fall decor more in like November. So this is just a little sign that says hello, and then we have the little sunflowers here. And this is just how I have this hutch set up for right now. But yeah, this is my little midsummer refresh. I wanted to get over on here and show y'all something. And I'm going to be getting some more sunflower decor. So when I do get more pieces, I will, I'll show y'all. Maybe we'll do a late summer tour or something like that. But this was everything. I just wanted to get on here real quick and just show y'all everything that was new and how I have it decorated. And I just love how this little table turned out. Like, I just think it's really, really cute. And these sunflowers, you know, you can also incorporate with your fall decor as well. And this is just right here on top of my microwave, just kind of showing y'all how I did everything. So thanks for stopping by. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all mean the world to me. And have a great day. And I'll catch you back next time at Texas Decor More.